Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel and a happy new year once again. Thank you all for the support. Thank you for we've hit the 1,000 subscribers. Please continue sharing and subscribing to my channel. Yeah, last time we left off on me showing you how to come up with an action plan. Today I have a template for you on how to actually put all those plans and actions into one simple Excel sheet or format, and this can guide you throughout your whole year on how to actually plan and achieve. So I have a sample here. Here the sample is the project or goal you have is to build a website for your company. So this can be any other goal in your life, but I said with the action plan, you set your goals, and from your goal, if it's to achieve financial freedom by maybe earning $5,000 per month, I told you have to be very specific in your goals. Then what are the actions I'm going to do to actually achieve this goal? And that is what you put into the action plan, as simple as that. So yeah, and I said we have rankings. You have rank, which is high priority, and low or medium priority in terms of tasks or actions you're going to do to achieve actually that goal. So here our goal is to build a company website, and we have our task items, the phase. So our action step number 1 is maybe do a market research before we start on building our company website. Who will be responsible for this task? What is the status in terms of how much have they achieved on the task? So this can be also you. What is the start date for me doing this task? What will be the due date? What are the planned hours or weeks? Maybe if there is any department, and what will be the materials or resources I need to actually do this task, and what is the actual costs and notes are whether I've achieved, whether not. Yeah, so that's the template. So here we have our goal is to build a website for your company, and action step number 1 is do market research. In here we have a task item we've listed. Task items of 1, I need to hire a market specialist to plan on how I can build a fully designed company website. And the person you also attach, the person assigned is maybe Sam. This is going to be in a planning phase. What is the status? They've done so far 50% on hiring the market specialist. This is going to be done in 3 weeks. Who is responsible, the materials required, the costs, and any notes. So you also rank your priorities. Is this a highly prioritized task item you have to do to achieve that goal? Then you list it. Gather data, market segmentation, buyers, personal branding. All this is going to be done in the planning phase on attaining your goal of building your well-formed company website. So even in your real life, when you're doing your planning, you can use the same template. This is just an example that it's a sample of a project, like they want to build a company website. But for you, you can have one of your goals, maybe individual personal growth or anything or development. You can say maybe my goal is to build or construct a house by the end of this year. So what will be the actions I have to do to achieve that? You list them down. To achieve me constructing my house by the end of this year, 1, I'll have to save this amount of money, maybe 500,000 every month, to actually achieve that goal. 2, I need to have a plan, an architecture plan. How much will that cost? You list it. 3, I need to have land. How much will that cost? Do I have it? You're planning. Yeah. What will be the materials I need to do the construction? Who is going to be responsible for this? And which phase am I in? Is it the planning phase, me planning for the construction? Or is it me saving for the construction? Is it the actual building of the or constructing of the house. So you put that all in your action plan. And one are your action steps and task items you have to do for each to achieve that goal. So you can do this for all your goals, personal, spiritual, development, family. You can use this simple template in terms of prioritizing which task you have to do first to achieve that goal. What is the task? Which phase are you in? Who is responsible for that task? What is the status so far? When are you starting that task? When is the due date? How many hours or weeks do you have you planned to do that task? That task is, as I said from the very beginning, it always have to contribute to your overall objective or goal. Any person responsible, what materials are required? What is the cost implication of this task for me to attain this goal? So that's it about action planning. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Like, share, and subscribe. Ciao.